List 2 best practices for effective communication. 1. Use simple language. 2. Be respectful of others' opinions. 3. Do not form assumptions on culture, religion, or geography. 4. Try to communicate in person as much as possible. 5. Use visuals. 6. Take help of a translator to overcome differences in language. Mention one quality of a self-motivated person with an example. A self-motivated individual is always dedicated to their goals. For instance, you set out to run for 20 minutes, but after only 15, you're worn out. However, you persist and challenge yourself. Write the difference between needs, wants, and demands. Write the difference between needs, wants, and demands. Need, want, demand seems to be very closely related words, however, they all differ with respect to their meaning. Need, necessity, something that is required to survive or to sustain. For example, food, water, shelter, etc. Want desires things without which we can survive, but we need them for higher satisfaction. For example, I want iPhone 68, though I can do without it. Human wants are unlimited. As one want is satisfied, a new one is created. Demand, willing and able to buy. Things that you want to buy consume and your pocket allows its consumption, i.e. you can afford it, thus you demand that thing. For example, I have 1000 rupees in my pocket and I want to see a movie whose ticket is worth 500 rupees. Since I want it and I can afford it, I demand a movie ticket. Mention any two human activities that lead to environmental degradation. 1. Use of fertilizers, pesticides, etc. for screening the production of crops. 2. Cutting down of forests for personal ones such as constructions of buildings, factories, etc. List 3 real-life applications of standard deviation. 1. Grading tests. 2. Evaluating a survey. 3. Weather forecasting. What is discrete and continuous data? Discrete data is defined as information that accepts just certain values. For instance, you can pass or fail an exam if it is given. Thus, information is distinct in this instance since there are just two possible possibilities. Data that is continuous can have any value within a specified range. It is possible for this range to be unlimited or finite. For instance, a road's length, an ocean's depth, or a person's weight. Explain selection bias. Selection bias typically arises from a model's ability to affect the production of the training data. When sample data is collected that is not indicative of the actual future population of cases the model will encounter, selection bias is said to have occurred. What is data merging? In data science, data merging is the process of combining two or more data sets into a single data frame. This process is necessary when we have raw data stored in multiple files or data tables that we want to analyze all in one go. What are various techniques of safely discarding digital confidential data? You can proceed to remove the data from memory once you have completed the task and no longer require the user data. You can encrypt data while it's being stored on your device to ensure that backers cannot access it even in the event of a data leak. For a clean disposal, you can also format the hard drive or computer where the client's private information was kept. Why is Z-score important? It gives us an opportunity to calculate the probability of a value occurring within a normal distribution. Z-score allows us to compare two values that are from the different samples. Kaplan, the difference says of subsetting data. Row-based subsetting is this method of subsetting. We take some phones the top or bottom of the table. Column board subsetting sometime the original data set may contain of large number of columns and all of the way hot be necessary the perform analysis. We then select specific columns from the data set. Data-based subsetting. To subset the data based on specific data, we use data-based subsetting. Explain what is the statistical problem-solving process. Formulate statistical investigative questions. This is also known as starting the process with the expectation of variability. Investigations are fruitful when they are designed using statistical inquiry questions that account for variability. Consider the data. This process might be referred to as designing for differences while accepting variability. Designs for data collecting must take data variability into account. Analyze the data. The accounting of variability while the distributions is another name for this stage. We attempt to comprehend the variability of the data when we analyze it. Interpret the results. This process can also be referred to as looking beyond the data and allowing for variability. Variability is present while making statistical interpretations, and it must be taken into consideration. What is the central limit theorem? Give to practical applications of this theorem. The central limit theorem states that distribution of sample approaches a normal distribution as the sample size gets larger irrespective of what is the shape of the population distribution. The central limit theorem is a statistical theory stating that given a significantly large sample size from a population with finite variance, the mean of all samples from same set of population will be roughly equal to the mean of the population. Some practical implementations of the central limit theorem include voting polls estimate the count of people who support a particular election candidate. The results of news channels that come with confidence intervals are all calculated using the central limit theorem. The central limit theorem can also be used to calculate the mean family income for a specific region. Explain percentile, quartiles, and deciles with examples. A percentile can be defined as the percentage of the total ordered observations at or below it. Therefore, PTH percentile of a distribution is the value such that P percentage of the ordered observation falls at or below it. Quartiles of dataset partitions the data into two equal parts, with 1/4 of the data values in each part. The total of 100% is divided into 4 equal parts, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. Since the median is defined as the middlemost value in the observation, the median will have 50% of the observations at or below it. Just like quartiles, we have deciles. While quartiles sort the data into 4 quarters, deciles sort the data into 10 equal parts, the 10th, 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, 100th. The higher the place in the decile ranking, the higher is the overall ranking. Explain principles on ethics that one should follow while performing data analysis. Protect your customer privacy does not always mean confidentiality because private data may need to be audited based on the relevant requirements. The private information that is shared should always be handled with confidentiality. Third-party companies share sensitive data, either financial, location-related, or medical. Customers should always have a clear view of how their data is getting used or traded and should have the authority to manage the flow of their confidential information across enormous, third-party systems. Data should never interfere with human will. Data analytics can average out and at times, even discover who we are even before we make up our mind. Data should never institutionalize unfair biases like sexism or racism. Analytical systems can absorb unconscious biases in a crowd and boost them with the help of training samples.